In this tutorial, I just wanted to spend a couple minutes talking about the date function in Microsoft Excel. So the date function just basically returns a number that is reflective of a date based on Excel's date time format, and is an awesome function if you need dates to be a specific way based on what you're working on in Excel. So here we have some numbers that are supposedly supposed to represent years, and we want to make sure that we have the first of the year for each of these respective years. This is something that we can do very easily with the date function, even though this is formatted as a number, which you can verify by doing Alt-H-N-S. By doing that, short date enter, as you can see, that's not the date we're looking for. So to do this, we can do equals date, and then open parentheses. So year, so what year do you want to use? Well, you want to use the year that is in the cell to the left. Now, month, so what do we want to use for month? So we want to January 1st, right? So the first month of the year, so that's 1. And then comma, what day do you want to use? We want to use 1 for the day. And then close parentheses. And just like that, as you can see, we have 1/1/2017. Going down, we have 1/1/2018, 1/2019, 1/2020, so on and so forth. And if we do Alt-H-N-N for enter, then for this is a number. As you can see, this is indeed a date in Excel, because as you can tell, it's in 30-40,000 range. And this is awesome too, because you don't have to just type numbers. You can have these be cell references, so you can have these be formulas. You can have this be whatever you want it to be. But the date function is great because it might seem kind of simple to a point, but it allows you to have a lot more flexibility on what your dates to be, but also a lot more consistency. So I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.